You're listening to Head On with your host, board-certified plastic surgeon, Dr. Bahman Guyuron.
Some noses lend themselves to some alterations non-surgically to improve the shape of the nose. But in my view, there are very few that can do that. And I personally do not do that unless I'm buying time for some minor defect in some minor flaw in the nose until a year comes so I can do the major revision. It is not to say that it's a wrong operation for patients who do not want to have surgery. That could be a possibility. But you cannot make a really wide tip narrower with adding volume there. When fillers, meaning these alterations are going to be done by the fillers. And when you add fillers, you're adding volume. If the flaw is, or imperfection is deficiency, it can be camouflaged by a filler. But if it is excess, there's no way that you can camouflage that by adding volume without making the nose larger than it should be. So there's a possibility, can be done, but on certain patients and properly selected cases. And the reality is that the patients need to know that they have to keep doing that, meaning go back and have the fillers placed in the nose to achieve the same changes if it pleases them. However, the individuals who are having fillers in their noses, they need to know that there are some serious potential complications, and that is skin necrosis. And unfortunately, I have had the opportunity to take care of some of those patients who had the injection done by somebody else, and they're not really easy to take care of. If one of the limitations that we have in nose adjustment is necrosis of the skin, meaning skin dying, and that can come from injection of fillers. It does not happen often, but when it happens, it is very serious. So that complication has to be taken in consideration. And the fillers can cause lumpiness, irritation, inflammation. Those are unlikely possibilities. If anyone is interested in a rhinoplasty consultation, you can call our clinic, Ziba Clinic, 440-461-7999. Again, 440-461-7999. Or you can go to my website, drbahmanguyuron.com. And you can actually make your appointment through the internet. We're here to serve the patients.
Links to learn more about Dr. Guyuron and anything else mentioned on this podcast are available in the show notes. Head On is a production of The Axis, THEAXIS.io.